Hello team, welcome to our Mainframe db2 tutorial. I would like to thank you all for your support and please subscribe my channel and sharing this video. Let's start with today's topic. This is the dataset part 2 session. Some topics are pending, so we are going to cover in this session. Now we are going to discuss about the volume. So volume meaning has changed over time. Originally, volume was an individual disk drive. So there was one-to-one correspondence between volume and disk drive in a GOS system. Volumes are used to provide a storage for the dash D. You already know what is the dash D. So if we talk about the sub component of the GOS operating system is called SMS. So you need to understand what is the SMS. So SMS is a very important term if we talk about the volume. SMS stands for a storage management subsystem and it is often used to manage physical and logical volume of the storage. Instead of specifying a specific volume, you can allow a SMS to decide where you want to store actual data like A, B, C and whatever. Our next topic is storage allocation. When a data set is created, options are used to indicate the amount of storage to be allocated in a tracks, usually 12 4K page or 48K will used. If we talk about the cylinder, so always remember one cylinder is equal to 15 tracks. This is very important because it's always asked in the interview. So one cylinder is equal to 15 tracks. The actual number of cylinder available on a disk it depends upon dash D model. So it depends upon dash D model. Always remember this thing. Next is storage is actually allocated in a stage using primary extent and secondary extent. If we talk about primary extent, so it is the initial amount of storage that is allocated to a data set. When that storage is used up or another allocation of storage that's called a secondary extent. There can be a multiple secondary allocation of the storage to the data set. So extents, it's always consist of contiguous area of the storage. Now we are going to discuss about the dataset naming convention. You already know every dataset must have a unique name. The maximum length of data is 44 characters. Let's take one example. T S O U 01 whatever dot my data dot ps. Okay, so I take this example. So here it shows like maximum length is 44 character. So this dataset name not exceed 44 characters. Next thing we need to understand like maximum of 22 name segment or level. That means total number of level cannot exceed 22. Here we need to understand two things. This is very important. First one is the HLQ, that means high level qualifier, and second one is the LLQ, that is low level qualifier. Let's understand this example. So the leftmost position, this one, okay, TSOV01, whatever I type here. So the leftmost position dataset name is always called HLQ, high level qualifier. So here each level qualifier, here it says like 1 to 8 character. That means this name should not increase 8 characters. So it has, here I put 7 character only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only. Okay. Not exceed 8 characters. Next one is the LLQ, low level qualifier. The low level qualifier is the rightmost position. Okay. So in right we type is PS. So this one after dot. Okay. So this one is the rightmost position dataset name called a low level qualifier. I hope you understand. Now, if we talk about the maximum length cannot exceed 44, you understand? The character is 8 character is maximum. So you here you put like 7, 6, whatever, but not exceed 8 character. Okay. So first alphabetics or special anything. Here you need one thing like not case sensitive. Okay, guys. That's all from my side. So thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want any specific DB2 topics, so please mention in comment box. Thank you all. Bye.